So should we start with the anthem?
Yes, sir. We'll start with the anthem.
Okay.
हम सेहत के सिपाही हैं, हमें अपना फर्ज निभाना है। हर जन जन को, हर तन मन को हमें मिलकर स्वस्थ बनाना है। आवाज दो इस मंत्र को हर दिल में जगा दे आज। आवाज दो इस मंत्र को हर दिल में जगा दे आज। मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज,
मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज,
मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज,
मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज।
हम कवच है ऐसा जो पहने तो रोग न भटके पास कहीं।
जवानी की उम्र बढ़ाना है, बुढ़ापा दूर भगाना है।
हमें कसरत के संग रोज रोज न्यूट्री चार्ज अपनाना है।
कोई 2 का हो
या 100 का हो,
सबको खुशहाल बनाना है। चाहे राहों में मुश्किल आए, हर हाल में लक्ष्य को पाना है।
आवाज दो इस मंत्र को हर दिल में जगा दे आज। आवाज दो इस मंत्र को हर दिल में जगा दे आज।
मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज,
मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज,
मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज,
मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज।
ये भारत देश की शान बड़ी,
ये भारत का अभिमान बड़ा। न्यूट्री चार्ज शाकाहारी मैदान में है अड़िग खड़ा।
हमें दुनिया को बतलाना है, भारत वैज्ञानिकों का खजाना है।
अपनी माटी के जादू को हमें देश देश पहुंचाना है।
अब कह दो विदेशी ताकत से, ये न्यूट्री चार्ज का जमाना है। चाहे राहों में मुश्किल आए, हर हाल में लक्ष्य को पाना है।
आवाज दो इस मंत्र को हर दिल में जगा दे आज। आवाज दो इस मंत्र को हर दिल में जगा दे आज।
मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज,
मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज, मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज, मेरा चार्ज न्यूट्री चार्ज।
this anthem itself should help us in completing the target. So today is a result-oriented session. So let me remind you a few points about this anthem which can help us achieve the target. First of all, please note down. Today is a result-oriented session. So everybody must note down points so that we can do more targets. Anybody who is not knowing RCM and you are trying to convince them or somebody to use the product or to become a member, show the anthem and explain the anthem. See, the point is the anthem, without saying a single word, shows the strength of RCM. See, leaders from all over India are there in the anthem. Everybody is there. All the top team of the RCM and the entire top team of NutriCharge, they are all visible in the anthem. So who is RCM? Who is NutriCharge? Who is owned by, NutriCharge is owned by whom? So Mr. Godha is there. RCM has been started by whom? So Mr. TC sir, BC sir, KC sir, everybody is there on the stage. Whether Amitabh Bachchan is really endorsing RCM. So Amitabh ji is on the stage. Sanya ji was seen on the stage. And a whole family of, you see, RCM. In one, less than 2-3 minutes, I think, 3 minutes at the most, you can show the strength of RCM. And after that, you start talking what RCM wants to do, how networking is to be done, why should you consider NutriCharge, show the strength. So that is the first point. Because if we try to sell a product without first showing the strength of the organization, people feel that we are just trying to sell them something or the other. I could convert a millionaire into an RCM DS by showing this video. He asked me, what is the organization about? What is NutriCharge? I said, I'm sending you a video. Just see it and then talk to me. And when he rang back, he was amazed. It is such a huge organization, such a huge gathering. Where did you get this gathering from? Where did you get Amitabh? He had 100 questions. I could answer that and immediately he agreed, okay, I will become a member. So that is one thing. Many a time we mechanically see things. Now I will come to the point, to the product. First product. So first point, why should we bother about NutriCharge S5? First point, note down please, I am giving you a lot of actionable points. Why should somebody continue to take NutriCharge S5 when Corona has gone down? The answer is, Corona has not gone down. It is only the second wave which has gone down. So third wave is expected anytime, within 2 months or 3 months. Look at UK, Britain. The third wave is already there. 50,000 cases per day in UK, United Kingdom. So give that example. Corona gaya nahi hai. It is not gone yet. And every new wave is more dangerous. The latest Delta variant, Murthy ji, is able to infect even people with 2 vaccines, 2 vaccine shots. Even they are getting infected. They don't die. They don't need hospitalization, but they do get infected. Why do we want to get infected? The virus is dangerous. Despite vaccine, it can damage our body. So that is why we should stay alert to COVID. And even otherwise, the oncoming season is of cold, flu viruses. Zika virus is expected in India. Dengue is expected in India. These are all viral fevers, right? And now what is going to save us? Look at this slide carefully. This is our immunity, the white blood cells. It is the only thing which stood between us and near death. Our immunity was the only thing which saved us, white blood cells. Now, how do we increase the strength of these white blood cells? How do we increase their numbers? How do we make them more active? That should be our problem, because one after another, multiple viruses are expected. So white blood cells in our body are, and what are viruses? Very small disease causing particles. Very small disease causing particles. What do? They enter our body cells. Now the first thing we need is, we need some support so that viruses cannot easily enter our body cells. They may enter somebody else's body cells. First thing is, I don't want viruses to enter my body cells. So can I stop them? Yes, we'll share how and how we can sell a product on that. Number 2, once the viruses are inside our cells, they start multiplying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They multiply very, very rapidly. So we need something which can stop their growth. So two things. One, I don't want virus to enter my body. Second, I don't want them to multiply in my body. If they multiply, they will cause infections, they will cause symptoms. And particularly, I don't want my lungs to be affected. Let me remind the house, even if I get cured after COVID, some damage, some or the other damage has already been done by the virus. Maximum to lungs, also to heart, also to the brain, also to the eyes, also to the kidneys, and we don't know how many other organs. To pancreas, many people have become diabetic, many people have suffered fungal infections, many people have suffered confusion. There is clearly damage to the brain. They are confused, anxious, depressed. Some people are not able to digest better. Some people were not diabetic before COVID, have become diabetic after COVID. So I think that we should remember. We don't want COVID virus or any virus to infect us. We don't want these viruses to multiply in our body. So that these, and we need, if we can get something which can help us in avoiding their entry and avoiding their multiplication, that is good. Whenever we are attending to a sick person, consider the person as infected, and only then you attend to that person. Consider the person as a COVID patient or a virus patient. If you have somebody in the home suffering from fever in this season, please be very, very, very careful. Okay, consider that there is somebody infected. Go with a mask, go with a face shield. If somebody is having fever in the house, buy a face shield, 40-50 rupees worth, cover yourself properly, and then attend to the person. The person is a family member, I understand, but still you must protect yourself first. How will you attend to the patient if you yourself become a patient? So that is a very important thing. And what can we do? See, one word, let me remind, immunity. Immunity can save our lives. Immunity can save lives of others. And immunity can help us complete all our targets of NutriCharge. All targets. Chotu target 500, easy 1000, Chotu diamond club, Bada diamond club, anything you want to achieve. One word. Remind everybody that in the coming years, you need better immunity. Remind everybody. And one product which you can sell like hotcakes on the strength of immunity is NutriCharge S5. The second product you can sell like hotcakes talking about immunity is NutriCharge ProDiet. And the third product that you can sell like hotcakes is NutriCharge Women and Man Tablet. And you can also sell NutriCharge Kids on the strength of immunity. I'll teach you how, and that would help you complete all the targets of the Kerala team. Everybody in Kerala should be at least a Chotu diamond. Nothing less than that. Everybody. It is only 2,500 rupees. I'll show you how. Okay. So risk of viral infections is higher when our immunity is down. Why does immunity go down? Number one reason is lack of vitamins, lack of minerals, and lack of protein. See, antibodies in our body are formed only by protein. No protein, no antibody. Even if I take 2 shots of vaccine, both the shots if I have taken, right? So 7% of Indians have already taken both the shots. Still, if they don't take sufficient protein, how will their body prepare antibodies? This is a $1 million question. And Indian diet is poor in protein. Everybody in the world knows that. Indian diet has less protein. So let us have more protein to make sure, and all the vitamins and minerals to make sure that our immunity is higher. Now, whom should we target? Keep noting down. People who have stress, mental or physical stress. So people under stress, NutriCharge S5. They need immunity boost. People who smoke, their immunity is bad. People who take alcohol, their immunity is bad. People who have to forced to work at night, IT workers, right? Night shift workers, right? International assignment workers, right? So a lot of IT industry workers are forced to work when the Europe is awake, when the UK is awake, or when the Americans are awake. So they are forced to work at night. So all those guys will have less immunity because they are tired. People smoke. They take a lot of beverages, a lot of alcohol, lack of sleep, poor immunity. So all IT workers, please target. And now three kinds of people. Number one, diabetics. Number two, asthmatics. And number three, heart disease and hypertensives. I'll repeat. Number one, diabetics. Very bad immunity. Number two, asthmatics, because their lungs are weak. They cannot resist the virus. And number three, hypertension and heart disease patient, because virus also damages heart and the blood vessels. A lot of people have lost their lives because of that. They have lost their lives because of that. So heart disease, diabetes, asthmatics, they are all to be targeted, right? Risk of viral infections is very high for them. Antibiotics don't work. So don't try to self-medicate in viral infections. Only a treatment by a registered physician should be taken. Another point is, so what can I do? If there is so much threat to my immunity, if I am a diabetic, if I am a hypertensive, if I'm more than 50 years of age, if I smoke, if I have mild asthma, what can I do? First, take a balanced diet. Now, this is very important. This is not a slide for products. This is a slide for our entire team and for everybody who we want to suggest. Please start taking a balanced diet. All types of pulses, preferably complete pulses, not the broken ones, right? The complete pulses. Second, take millets, take complete cereals, right? And take all types of green vegetables and all types of fruits. Start doing that and your immunity goes up. Plus, if you can take supplements, that will ensure that you are not the part of 70% of Indians, Murthy, don't get even 50% of RDA of nutrients from their diet. This should be noted. I'll repeat this again. Very important. And we think that I'm getting very good food from my home, so I will not have immunity problems. 70% Indians don't get even 50% required nutrients from their diet. RDA is not completed even by up to 50%. Just imagine. That is why health supplements. Now, this single line says it all. And 70% Indians are not junk food eaters. Most of us are family people. We eat junk food only occasionally on weekends or some days, occasional days. Even then, 70% Indians don't get 50% RDA of nutrients from their diet. That is why I take NutriCharge Pro Diet in my breakfast without fail. That is why we all must take NutriCharge Man or NutriCharge Woman without fail. All these vitamins and minerals are needed. We will take some examples. Why do I need copper? Why do I need zinc? Why do I need iron? Why do I need calcium? Why do I need magnesium? Every vitamin and mineral has some role to play. Particularly important are zinc. Note down, please. Very important for immunity. Extremely important. Particularly important is protein. So for zinc, you can sell NutriCharge Man and Women. Sufficient zinc in NutriCharge Man and Women. Please note down. Protein, absolutely mandatory for immunity, right? Vitamin A, again, it is present in NutriCharge Man and Women. Sufficient vitamin A, also beta carotene. Vitamin D, absolutely must for immunity. Iron, deficiency of iron will reduce immunity. B12, necessary for red blood cells and lacking in vegetarian diet. B12 is not there in vegetarian diet, almost absent. So every other vitamin also has a role, every other mineral also has a role. So on this strength, every person in RCM, saying Jai RCM, should take NutriCharge Man or NutriCharge Woman. Every RCM worker should achieve Chotu target, because 500 rupees means if I take NutriCharge Man 225, my wife takes NutriCharge Woman 280, 500 target achieved. My daughter and son take double achieved, easy 1000 achieved. My brother takes 1500 achieved. My friend takes 2000 achieved. One more family I sell, and I am already in the 2500 Chotu Diamond Club. Simply buy NutriCharge men and women. If you are not achieving Chotu target, that means you have not understood the message of NutriCharge that immunity cannot come without vitamins, minerals, and protein. See, now this is a $1 million point I'm making here. India took maximum amount of herbs, maximum herbs. India only produces the herbs in the world. We not only produced, we also exported maximum amount of herbs for immunity. Then why did India suffer? Why did Kerala suffer? Kerala was the first state to get lockdown. I was in Kerala the day I left Kerala. Next day lockdown was launched. Had I been there, I would have been staying at your home right even now, Mr. Murthy. So I could barely get out before the state was put under a lockdown. So why so much? When we are all Keralites eat fish, when all Keralites eat non-vegetarian food, when almost everybody was taking some or the other herb, why were we not getting sufficient immunity? One big reason is that we don't take sufficient protein. Another big reason is 70% of us don't even get 50% of vitamins and minerals from our diet. 70% don't get 50%. I think that should itself complete all your targets. And now we come to the power of herbs, which save us from infections, which also boost our immunity. And the number one herb is black seed, which has been mentioned in Bible as well as by the Prophet Muhammad in Quran, and 3 properties of black seed. Now, black seed, gentlemen and ladies, I realized the importance of black seed after taking black seed for 1.5 years. Murthy ji, I am free from my anti-hypertensive medicine. Because of black seed, I have been taking NutriCharge S5 for last 1.5 years. My anti-hypertensive medicine has stopped. I'm a living example because it is anti-inflammatory, and inflammation is behind a lot of our diseases. Heart disease, blood pressure, cancer, diabetes, everything has inflammation behind it. Second, alkaline diet. I have been taking 1 lemon twice daily since Manisha madam told us that we must do that for making our body alkaline. Third, I've been walking more than 6,000 steps a day, in fact, more than 10,000 steps a day at times. And I am now climbing around 10 to 12 stories per day. It is still not 250 stairs, but still at least I am climbing around 160, 170 steps per day. So all this has helped me in bringing down my blood pressure without medicine, almost normal. So anti-inflammatory nature of black seed, if we realize, we will not give up taking this product for the rest of our lives. If you are a diabetic, don't stop taking. If you are a hypertensive, please continue to take black seed. I'm not saying RCM, I'm not saying NutriCharge S5. Take black seed. If you cannot take out the oil of black seed, fresh oil, take NutriCharge S5. It is having the fresh extract of oil of 200 mg of black seed. And second property is immunity. And third property is directly antiviral. So whether it is any virus, it has been proven to be effective against Zika. It has been proven to be effective against now COVID also. So very, very important constituents of NutriCharge S5. Only on black seed I can sell NutriCharge S5 and complete whatever target you give me. I can sell 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 direct retailing on my pin. And I've tried it. Last month, my personal retailing was 5,800 rupees. Not a big deal, means, and I am not able to work all 25 days. At times, I just suggest, and I sold the products to lift people, lift man. I sold it to a multi-story maintenance person. I sold it to my painter who came to paint my house. So if these poor guys can buy NutriCharge S5 or NutriCharge and even Prodite, my painter has taken 2 packs of Prodite in last month, 1,300 rupees, 1,340 rupees, 20 rupees. Exact DP I'm telling you. How? Because I bought and paid. And I have been able to sell one NutriCharge BJ also. So forget the point. Only with black seed, all targets of Kerala team can be done. Only with one product, black seed, that is in NutriCharge S5. It is such a powerful product that you have. It reduces viral load. It was already known that it reduces viral load of flu viruses. Now it has been proven by Pakistani scientists. We may have a quarrel with the country. We don't have quarrel with science. Pakistani, Chinese, and Arab country scientists have proven beyond doubt that black seed is anti-COVID. So, what is there in black seed? Note down this point: thymoquinone. You want to complete your target? Remember this name: thymoquinone. Chotu target, easy 1000. Chotu Diamond Club. Whatever you want to do, you want to go with as a couple to Goa. Welcome. Thymoquinone will help you. Recommend it to everybody who has some or the other disease. Asthma, thymoquinone, great. What is there in now? What about the antiviral activity of thymoquinone? Thymoquinone arrests the very RNA proteins of the virus. So whatever is the variant does not matter. Does not matter, because it arrests the viral RNA protein itself, which all COVID variants, all viral variants will have the same RNA. They cannot change the RNA. They can change their external protein and become a new variant. See, these are the external proteins which are changed in variants. Internal RNA cannot be changed, otherwise virus will change. I cannot change my parents now. So that is how virus cannot change its RNA. So thymoquinone is able to arrest this RNA and not let the virus multiply in my body. That is why if I am taking NutriCharge S5, even if I get infected, chances are the virus will not be able to grow in numbers in my body. If I continuously take it, don't stop taking this year. Don't make a mistake. Keep on taking NutriCharge S5 this year. Second most important ingredient is Tulsi. First, Tulsi reduces stress. That should be sufficient reason for us to sell it to all IT people. They are always under stress. They have to work very, very long hours at night, continuous sitting, no exercise, nighttime working, long working, and Tulsi is excellent for reducing stress. And I'm showing you this journal reference. Also reduces fever and common cold. Second, now this point, I can sell NutriCharge S5 along with ProDiet on this slide. So take a photograph of this slide. Tulsi increases antibodies by 20%. So if I have taken a vaccine and I also take Tulsi regularly, my antibodies will definitely increase significantly. There is only one condition. What is that condition? My body should have protein to make those antibodies. Tulsi stimulates my body to make antibodies. Vaccine stimulates my body to make antibodies. But antibodies cannot be made without protein. So I can promote vaccine. I can promote everybody, please take vaccines, both the shots, mandatory. I also suggest you take black seed, mandatory. And I also suggest you take Tulsi, mandatory, but with protein. Protein is must, because Tulsi improves antibodies, but antibodies are made with protein. Very important. What is there in Tulsi? Remember this name, eugenol. You can sell NutriCharge S5 to every asthmatic. Every asthma person should take Tulsi because it has eugenol, which is excellent for my respiratory tract. You have respiratory problems, take eugenol. Let me share, I had a mild asthma, Murthy. Every winter I will have some problem. Since last 1.5 years, nothing, zero, no problem, because Tulsi I've been regular in taking Tulsi. How? Taking NutriCharge S5. 3 types of Tulsi. Eugenol. Eugenol is known to be even useful in tuberculosis. Forget mild problems of the lungs. Also reduces bronchitis. How COVID damages our lungs? It causes severe inflammation, bronchitis, and inflammation of lung cells. And Tulsi reduces that inflammation. Black seed reduces that inflammation. Very, very powerful combination you have. Tulsi also increases aggressiveness of my white blood cells and their number. Look, read. Your targets would be done today itself. कल का कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है, आज ही टारगेट पूरा करके उठेगी केरला टीम इस मीटिंग से. ये देखिए, Tulsi increases natural killer cells and T helper cells, the most aggressive white blood cells which fight infections. So what more evidence you need? You are doing video recording of this session. You can promote And this is not the evidence of RCM. This is not the evidence of NutriCharge S5. This is the evidence of Tulsi. And NutriCharge S5 contains Tulsi, 3 types of Tulsi. You can say these 2 things. You cannot say NutriCharge S5 causes this relief. You can say Tulsi relieves inflammation. And you can also say that NutriCharge S5 contains Tulsi. That's all. That's all. And that should help you in achieving your target. Look, another problem in COVID. After COVID, we lot of had an fungal problem. And Tulsi is also antifungal. Neem is also antifungal. Black seed is also antiviral, antifungal. So if you are taking NutriCharge S5, chances of getting fungal infections would also be reduced. Chances are. Because Tulsi will reduce those problems. Neem will reduce those problems. NutriCharge S5 has not been clinically tested, so you cannot claim that. But you can say that Tulsi reduces fungal infections. Neem protects against fungal infections. Black seed protects against those infections, and you can sell. That what are you selling? You are not selling a product. You are selling Tulsi. Pure Tulsi. 3 types of Tulsi extract in NutriCharge S5. What are you selling? Black seed. Pure oil of 200 mg seeds of black seed. So 1 capsule, just 12-13 rupees, not even 13. It is 12 rupees, some paise. Less than 360 rupees. 356 rupees is the DP. How do I remember it so exactly? Because I'm buying 5 to 7 boxes every month. I'm buying and selling also. And my downline also it should sell. If I am a RCM leader, everybody should promote these slides. And neem is the best detoxifier in the blood. If you are taking neem, your blood will have to be detoxified. It is one of the best. Detox your body, and is also antiviral. And it also has high peroxide, which catches the RNA proteins of various viruses, nucleoprotein of viruses. So now you have 2 things which catch the nuclear protein, that is neem and black seed. Aloe vera and mentha also have antiviral properties. And finally, all of these in a single capsule. Sorry, one sec. All of these in a single capsule. And do we have evidence? Yes. Now, this evidence you should record and you should show. This is not RCM evidence. This is not evidence by NutriCharge. This is evidence by scientists against COVID in Pakistan. They used honey and Nigella sativa. Yes, you heard me right. Honey. You have honey, Murthy. Best honey you have. Honey and black seed. You have both. So you can sell both. Take honey and Nigella sativa. You are trying to sell antioxidant with Nigella sativa. I think you should sell honey and Nigella sativa. Honey and NutriCharge S5 are a proven combination. No other antioxidant has been proven against COVID. Nigella sativa, that is black seed, has been proven by these scientists that it reduces time to remove the symptoms. Half of the time, 50% reduction in time to remove symptoms. Viral negativity in 6 days versus 10 days for people with less infection. Viral negativity in 8.5 days versus 12 days for people with severe infection. And out of 100 severely infected cases, only 4 died. 96 were saved. Mortality rate was only 4%. If you were not giving honey and black seed and giving only a COVID medicine, around 19 out of 100 people were dying in Pakistan. Severe cases. After giving honey and black seed, and Pakistani scientists did not have NutriCharge, did not have RCM, they used plain black seed oil and they used honey. You have both. So use that and bring down the mortality chances to 4% compared to 19%. First of all, black seed will not let you get infected. If you do get infected, it will not allow you to allow the virus to multiply. And do we have anything else? Yes, zinc. Another evidence is zinc with black seed also reduces virus here. Now, this is a Malaysian evidence, not done in India, not done by RCM, not done by NutriCharge. Don't claim. But thymoquinone, according to the scientists in Malaysia, along with zinc, prevented the COVID virus from entering my lung cells. So if I am taking zinc with black seed, the Malaysian scientist says that the virus cannot easily enter my lungs. How do you like that? Great. And you have both. You have zinc in NutriCharge Man and NutriCharge Woman. If you are taking them, you just took the tablet, so you got 12 mg zinc, Murthy. Full RDA. And if you are taking NutriCharge S5, you are getting full dose of black seed. 200 mg seed ka oil hai. And you are getting both. According to the scientists, if virus enters your body, it cannot multiply, cannot enter your cells. Now, another evidence from Indian scientists. All RCM workers should take neem. If you can't buy the product, take neem directly. But unfortunately, I cannot take 100 leaves of neem directly. So when I take NutriCharge S5, I get extract of 100 leaves of neem. And according to Indian scientists, the people who take neem, only neem, they were not talking about black seed, they were not talking about tulsi, only neem. Neem alone reduced the chances of getting infected by 55%, less than half. So if my chances were 100% of getting infected, suppose I am surrounded by viral infected people, and if I am taking neem capsule, my chances of getting infected are reduced by half, only by neem. Do we have neem? Yes, we have neem. Do we have honey? Yes, we have honey. Do we have black seed? Yes, we have black seed. Do we have tulsi? Yes, we have tulsi. Do we have targets? Very chotu targets. Very chotu targets. So if husband and wife takes NutriCharge S5 or NutriCharge man and woman, you will complete easy 1000 in your home. Why are we not able to achieve targets? I am unable to understand. The moment I started taking on my pin, I have never missed the target. Never ever missed the target. 5,000, 500,000 is no target at all. You can do 5,000. At least 2,500. Chotu diamond. Every Kerala team worker of RCM must do Chotu, diamond target. 2,500 is no problem at all. If you are taking NutriCharge man, woman, NutriCharge S5, within your family, 1,000 is completed. One more family, 2,000. One more family, 3,000. That's all. Finished. Even if you have not sell NutriCharge kits, not sell any other product. Finished. See, in 1440, actually, if I take the DP, it is 280 less. So it is around 12 rupees, less than 12 rupees actually. Black seed oil, tulsi, 150 mg tulsi, 100 mg neem extract equivalent to 100 neem leaves. 25 mg aloe vera extract equivalent to 5 grams of aloe vera. And aloe vera, we all know, is a hot selling product in India. And mentha. And with that, from where I get zinc? Oh, you have zinc. Where I get vitamin C? You have vitamin C. Where I get vitamin A? You have vitamin A. Vitamin D, selenium, lutein, lycopene. For your wife, NutriCharge 1. Why 10 mg zinc, not 12? Because RDA for women for zinc is only 10 mg. So according to RDA and all vitamins, and together they are a complete immunity bundle. Complete immunity bundle. And one person taking this is taking 500 BV product. Can calculate. It is around 500 BV for one person. So husband, wife, 1000 BV. Two children, maybe another 1000 BV. I don't know. So very easily with these products, immunity itself will help you to become a Diamond Club member for RCM in Kerala. And Kerala, Murthyji, is the most educated state. Let us remove the threat of low immunity from Kerala with efforts of RCM and with thanks to such wonderful products that you have brought. Don't forget the protein. I also am regularly taking protein. If I take protein, 495 BV. How do I remember so easily? Because I'm buying it regularly. 495 BV in one pack of 15 days. 1% taking Prodite is 1000 BV, 990 BV. Straight. And I have told people buying from me, Baba, on the 6th month, when I get the free product, that is yours. You take it. Give it to them. Why don't you give it to them? At least they will be regular for 6 months, and 7th month also they will take protein. Don't bother. Even if they take, if you don't want to give, it is yours. It is your call. I am giving. And for children, now one last point in this session, let me tell you, in this presentation, not session, that next wave is expected for kids, Murthyji. Now look at this label. 3 types of protein, right? Whey protein, you can see here, somewhere it is mentioned, 3 types of protein. How much protein is there? 23 grams of protein. It has whey protein, soy protein, milk protein. So the child gets good protein. If you give him in a glass of milk, 7 to 8 grams of protein are going in the child's body. Twice a day, 16 grams of protein is going in the child's body. Very good protein. Even that is not enough. So give them all sorts of pulses, give them all sorts of milk products, curd, buttermilk, give them, right? And 28 vitamins and minerals. Look at the list. What else you need for immunity? All vitamins and minerals that the child needs. Plus L-lysine additionally given, methionine additionally given, because these are the amino acids which are lacking in Indian children's diet. That is why they are weak, because bones are weak because of deficiency of lysine. Lysine is deficient in rice and wheat. So our children do not get sufficient lysine. So additional lysine here, real cocoa or real mango powder and DHA. And look at the herbs, 1.6 grams of amla, right? Extract of grapes, extract of mulethi, extract of giloy. You name the herb, it is already there. All immunity boosting herbs, major herbs are there. So if you are giving it regularly, and plus if your child is grown up now, also give 1/3 or 1/4 or half sachet of NutriCharge Pro-Diet additionally, so that the total protein requirement of the child is met. Immunity would be boosted. See, remember, I cannot give NutriCharge S5 to children. So what do? I give NutriCharge Kids, and I additionally can give a little tulsi to them, right? So give them tulsi in their milk, give them tulsi in their water. Don't ask them to chew the leaves. Leaves are not to be chewed, they are to be swallowed, because otherwise they will damage the teeth. Don't chew tulsi leaves, swallow them. And along with that, you give NutriCharge Kids. And if you really want to make it even more better, give them NutriCharge Pro-Diet. So all families with children, can't you sell NutriCharge Kids on immunity? Just one thing we don't do, that is why we don't sell. Buy one pack, explain from the label to the mother of the child. Even if she does not understand English, even if she is a village woman, she is a mother. Try explaining politely that this gives 3 times more protein than any other drink she can get. This gives 10 herbs which no other child drink can give. So I think, Murthy ji, my session in this presentation is over now.